there is a very high demand for Black economically empowered communities. However, there has not been a systematic approach to meet that high demand until now. That approach is called the Black Economic Empowerment System, BEAS. What is BEAS? BEAS is a systematic approach that you can use to develop and implement Black community economic empowerment projects. By the way, the Black Economic Empowerment System is totally inclusive. What do I mean by that? What I mean is that Black people, Black communities must be empowered. So that goal, that mission doesn't change. However, if you become a contributor to the Black Economic Empowerment System, the Black Economic Empowerment System gives back to you no matter what you are. See, in our world, everybody wins. Black people and their contributors. Who needs the Black Economic Empowerment System? Anybody or any entity that wants to economically empower a Black community. How can it benefit you? The Black Economic Empowerment System can benefit you because initially it generates income, which eventually becomes wealth for its community businesses. It generates income, which eventually becomes wealth for its community-based organizations. And it generates income, which eventually becomes wealth for you as a community patron. Hello, my name is Anthony Rice Jr., and I'm the owner of Economic Empowerment Services, Inc., and the innovator of the Black Economic Empowerment System. We've already implemented a pilot project in Charlotte, North Carolina to rave reviews successfully. We've also initiated our first project in West Palm Beach, Florida. 2 months ago, we were in Nassau, Bahamas for that first initial meeting. Which brings me to our tagline, delivering empowerment now. That's the time right now. See, it's action time. So what we want you to do is keep an eye on our social media. Soon we will be announcing times and dates for our virtual workshops, which will give a preview of our online training classes and answer any questions that you have directly. We want you to be a part of, play a role in our intellectual evolution as we spread globally. So please join us, and thank you for your interest.